Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soothing and delicious bowl of my veggie loaded khichdi. So let's get cooking. For the vegetable khichdi, I'm going to start by soaking my grains and lentils. Here I have half a cup of white basmati rice and half a cup of split moong dal that I'm just going to mix together in this bowl here. And I'm just going to pour some water and then rinse this mixture under cold water till it runs clear like this. And we just want to let this soak for around 30 minutes so the khichdi cooks fast. For my vegetable khichdi, the vegetables that I've chosen are some cauliflower, some ginger, green beans, a zucchini, and a carrot. I also have around a cup or a cup and a half of baby spinach. The vegetables are totally customizable. I'd say the only thing you absolutely need from this list is the ginger. In a pot here on medium-high heat, I'm going to add around a tablespoon of refined coconut oil. The reason I'm using refined coconut oil is so it doesn't have that strong coconut taste and it has that same creamy consistency that ghee has. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add all of our spices. The spices that I've taken for the khichdi are around 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And here I also have a teaspoon of kalonji or nigella seeds or onion seeds. This is totally optional, so don't worry if you don't have it. But if you do have it, it adds a delicious flavor to the khichdi. I'm going to add 1 medium-sized cinnamon stick or 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, 1 large bay leaf, or in my case, a few pieces of bay leaves. Here I've finely chopped the ginger and it's come up to about 1.5 tablespoons of chopped ginger. Now that the ginger has a nice golden brown color to it, I'm gonna start adding all the vegetables. I'm gonna start with the carrots, the green beans, and the cauliflower. You wanna make sure that the carrots, or actually all of the vegetables, are not too finely chopped or not too thin so that they don't disintegrate while cooking. I've roughly chopped the green beans. As you can see, I've just cut the cauliflower into large florets. Give all of this a really nice mix. I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoons or 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. I've cut the zucchini into semicircles and they're around 1/2 inch thick, as you can see. After adding the zucchini, I'm just going to mix all of this really well and cook for a minute or so. Now I'm going to add the washed, soaked and strained rice and moong dal. Once again, mix all of this really well and cook this mixture for 2 minutes so the rice and lentils also get a nice toasty smell to it. Now I'm going to add around 3.5 cups of hot water to this mixture. So it's 3.5 cups for a total of 1 cup of rice plus lentils. Once this mixture comes to a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat to low, close the pot with the lid, and cook for around 25 minutes. At the 25-minute mark, I'm just going to make sure that the mixture has a really nice consistency and that it's not sticking to the bottom. As you can see, my khichdi has a really nice porridge-like consistency. If you feel like your mixture has gone too dry, just add more water and give it a nice mix. At this point, I'm also going to add in the baby spinach and salt to taste. The reason we leave the salting towards the end while making khichdi is because that way the rice and lentils cook uniformly. Once the spinach and the salt have been mixed in really well, we want to close the pot once again with the lid and cook this mixture for 8 to 10 minutes on low. It's been 10 minutes, and as you can see, the khichdi has a really nice consistency. The vegetables have still held their shape. It's fine if some of the vegetables get mushed up into the mixture. That's what gives it its delicious flavor, so don't worry if that happens. And now it's time to serve. I'm just gonna add the khichdi to a bowl. Top it with more coconut oil for that creamy, delicious texture, and add some delicious spicy pickle on the side. Khichdi is an extremely healthy and versatile one-pot dish. Once again, you don't have to add the vegetables that I added. You can add anything that you have in your fridge, anything that's in season. You can add broccoli, you can add pumpkin, potato, literally anything. It just tastes so good with whatever vegetable you have on hand. And as you saw, it's not that difficult to make. So let me know if you try it out in the comments below, and please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified of my new recipes. Bye.